So, who want to ask any question?
Мастер, что такое карма и кармические отношения? И когда отношения между людьми можно распознать как кармические, а когда это просто попутчики? Вопрос понятен?
Sandarshi, what does it mean karma and what does it mean karmic relationship? How to understand that in a relationship some people they have karma?
Every relationship has karma. Without karma, no relation. But sometimes happened it by energy relation happened. How with energy happened? Like you come to master and both person, couple, woman and man, both with master, sitting with him, follow him, and then they become like a couple. Sometime happen like this. No karma, but energetic they pull into each other. Energetically happen. Only around master, with master. Because when you with master, in you both or with everybody, in everybody, same energy working, master energy. And then you pulling to each other, not like your past or your unconscious or your karma, just energy pull to each other. This happens sometimes, not often, sometimes happens. And when this thing happened, mostly happened like living together but not very much enjoy the energy, each other energy. The same energy is man, same energy working in woman, master energy. And then you enjoy. But really it is not coming from your karma. Just energy make like this. But otherwise all relations, whatever is coming, it is karma. And you want to know if your relationship has karma or not. So when you meeting together, fall in love with each other, till love is there, till no relationship. As relationship start, then you emotionally start. Emotion start with each other. And then emotion with, you have a fight, hate with each other, fighting with each other, irritate with each other, don't want to see each other, but don't want to see each other, don't want to be with each other, often thinking, everyday think, finish. I don't want to be more. It's finished. But carry on, go on, go on. This is karma. If you have karma, even you want or don't want, how much karma you have with each other, you have to go on. Even no love there, no joy there, not enjoying with each other, almost like boring, bored, no love. If no love, so boring is there. No love, so fight is there. Want to go away, but want to go away, want to finish, but not happening. Because this is karma. If karma has, then you want or don't want, you have to go on, carry on. It is happened. And how long will go, this cannot say. When your karma will totally finish, is balanced, then suddenly it happened, okay, bye bye. Or in your life, or man life, one other woman coming, or in woman, other man is coming, and then energy moving start. You be together, but energetically you are somewhere. You are with somebody else. Now karma is finishing, start. So this thing happened. And with master also, around master, karma very fast also finish. You go normal life, without meditation, without master, then karma go on long time. But with master, around master, be with him. Because with him, when you do meditation, be with him, karma is finishing fast. And this thing also can happen. Suddenly you meeting your old friends, your ex-wife, suddenly she coming, ex-husband, ex-boyfriend, to whom you forget, he also remembering, or he can come to near you. He can be with around you. He can come here also. And then your karma is finishing. Or when you go back, your city, your country, suddenly meeting him, meeting her, and some, be friendly, not like a relation, but with friendly, which karma is finishing. Become clear. And also, whenever any couple finish with each other, so should not be finished in negative way. Like many mostly happen, you don't like each other, don't want to see, finished. I don't want to see. Even you meet her or meet him on the road, you don't want to see. That's not good. Then this karma takes long time to finish. If you finish with friendly, okay, finish now. I'm going this way. We are not lovers, we are not couple, but friend. If you are friend, when you finish with each other, your karma is going on, because you take to each other in your unconscious. Before you took, now again meeting, again you taking each other energy in your unconscious, and in meditation cleaning happen. But if you near and friend, being like boyfriend, girlfriend, finish, but like a friend. If you like a friend, very fast healing happens, very quick and fast happens. If you negative, like enemy, don't want to see anybody talk about her, you run away, or you are here and she come or he come and you finished already, then you want to run away from master also, because he is here, she is here. And very good, when finished couple and be in satsang, be with master, then very fast healing happens. Very fast karma is cleaning happens. Because negative way takes time. If you look inside, who your enemy, you always remember him. Friend mostly not remember. Enemy always in hand. So enemy going take long time. But if you friend, okay, finish. Couple finish, our karma is finished. But being together. Then quick fast, quick cleaning happen. Then you will be more friendly and will be finished also. But all relations has karma. Your girlfriend, your husband, your wife, your parents, your kids, and many other relations. Your uncle, your auntie, and big family. This all has relation. Without relation, you not become relative. You have in past karma. But somebody has more fast, quick, finished. Somebody take long time. Sometimes somebody take much more long time. And right way to clean your karma is meditation. Go inside, be more space, your space become bigger, your energy become bigger. As your space become bigger, whatever in your unconscious coming in space and go clear. All darkness getting clear. Because this thing, it looks like relation is very joyful. But when going inside, it is dark. If love is there, very good. Then no problem. Because love is light. Love is divine. And when you go with love, but as love is finished and relation starts, then this you go into each other in like a darkness. And you look, now you meditation, close your eyes, then you look. First you look in your wife, all the time wife, husband. Then old friends, parents, they all are here. They are sitting in your chest. And meditation is way of meditation, process of meditation. First clear your all relations. Finish your all relations. When your girlfriend go, ex-girlfriend go, wife go, husband go, going out, everybody going out. Then other relatives go, then parents go, and then become free. When you nobody here, and when you are free with them, when you close eyes, no any picture, no any thinking about this. Just when you sit, when you meditate, when you close eyes, or you just going in your bed, relaxed. To whom about you think? Understand? You are very attached with this person. Much attachment. Attachment is coming out. So when you meditate, your attachment going free, become free. And when you are free, then you can love, really love. Then you can love anybody. When you are free. With band, no love. Emotions. Mind game start. How to take, how to do, what to say, what not say, just mind busy with it. So relation is busy, but mind cannot be without relation. Mind needs something. Mind want to attach with somebody, be with somebody. This is mind nature. But if you want to go out of mind, beyond mind, so just understand when you sit, whom you think about, what pictures coming, this girl, that woman, that man, that relative, that one, it means understand you are, you have relation with this person. You have attachment with this person. And attachment not giving joy. When you are free, then good. So slowly, all your karma will be finished, all relatives will go out, every relative going out. And in end, you will be alone. Nobody is there. Totally alone, totally empty. When you are totally empty, then existence is sound. If any one person is there, he not comes. He say, oh, first you enjoy. I will be last. I can wait thousands life. I can wait. So when you meet the master, first your other relation is finished. With the master you become attached, start to be attachment, and your other attachment is finished. This is good. Your worldly attachment, your all relation is finished. And then and master is left. And master knows how to finish himself also. And then he finish himself. And then you will be just yourself. Nobody is there. Alone, totally empty. Nothing. Therefore, nobody become enlightened. Because you want something, this, somebody, this, always attached somewhere. And no one happened. Because existence wants only you. Nobody
Вас
No one.
были только вы, больше никого.
Finish everyone.
Все закончились из вас.
And relation is not good. Love is very good.
И отношения это нехорошо.
Love always
Любовь
good.
это очень хорошо.
Because when you love,
Потому что
then you not
когда вы влюблены,
create darkness.
вы не создаете тьму,
Then you create light.
вы создаете свет.
Inside light happen.
Внутри
When you in
есть
love, light happen, and your also your unconscious getting clear.
Когда вы в любви,
So love for
свет
every time,
очень сильно ощущается
all
в
the time.
подсознании.
But slowly happen. First is love, and then you fall
Происходит
in relation.
сначала любовь, а потом человек падает.
Because relation with mind exists. Mind becomes strong. Love with mind not strong.
Отношения становятся
Love with
сильными.
mind dissolving.
А в любви
mind
это
getting
растворяется.
finishing. So go for love.
Видите,
When you have love, when you have space,
когда у вас есть любовь,
when your heart is
пространство,
open,
когда ваше
love
сердце
is coming.
открывается, приходит любовь,
all karma is finished.
и вся ваша карма заканчивается.
Love is the fire.
Ну, любовь это огонь.
Love is fire. In burning your all darkness,
Она сжигает всю вашу тьму.
burning your all mind will be burned in this love. So go for love,
Видите любовь.
not for relation.
Не
All master
видите
against
любовь и не создавайте отношения.
the relationship.
И все мастера против отношений.
Because they know when you go in relation, then all mind game is coming.
Когда вы идете в отношения, включаются все ваши игры ума.
Attachment come,
Привязанность,
possessiveness come.
желание обладать человеком.
My husband,
Мой муж,
my wife,
моя жена,
my girl,
моя подруга.
greed coming,
Приходит жадность,
anger coming,
приходит
everything coming.
гнев.
So love for I say very good. Go.
Любовь это хорошо. Идите.
Wherever love is happening, wherever opportunity come for love,
Везде, где есть
jump.
возможность
go for
быть
it.
в любви, идите в это.
But soon mind will come.
Но очень быстро придет.
Mind suck your love
Вы будете
and
сосать
become
любовь
a relation.
и создавать отношения.
And when relation start,
Когда вы
then
начинаете
mind
отношения,
start. Mind game start.
начинается игра.
And that then no enjoy,
И когда
love is finished,
наслаждение заканчивается любовь,
no joy, no light,
нет радости, нет света,
darkness.
приходит тьма.
And then how much karma you have with each other,
Когда сколько
you will
времени
be
было
carrying
кармы,
each other.
вам нужно было идти
1
с
year, 3 year,
этим.
10 year,
3 года, 10 лет.
20 years, somebody whole life
У некоторых карма всю жизнь.
carrying, wife and husband carrying, no love but carrying,
Жена уже улюбили
carrying,
всю жизнь.
putting on each other on shoulder,
Тянут друг друга.
cannot walk, cannot fly,
Не могут ни летать, ни ходить. Не носят друг
want to
друга.
go away but cannot go away.
Хотя бы
This is
друг
the
друга
karma.
разойтись, но это не получается.
So which day karma is finished,
И в тот день, когда карма
automatic. And when karma is finished, then you can live very good with each other, very good.
Когда вы можете быть с ним,
Then you have love.
друзьями, когда у вас
You
будет
can
любовь.
live with, not feel relation, but can live with love. Love is there, very much love. So first thing, you meeting with love,
Первое, вы встречаетесь с людьми,
then relationship come.
осознаете, потом приходят отношения.
When relationship happen, then you are sad,
Когда приходят отношения,
misery,
у них приходит печаль,
not flying.
и вы не чувствуете, что
And
вы
then,
летаете.
if you meditation, then slowly this relationship finish,
Но если вы
this
медитируете,
unconscious finish, then you can be with each other also, but then will be love. Then very good
Когда вы
understanding.
можете быть вместе,
You are not mine,
быть в любви.
I am not your, but we can live together.
Вы можете
Love
быть
between
вместе,
you in
но
both.
у вас нет
Love is
желания
good.
считать человека своим.
First is love, in end is love.
Сначала,
Between is this mind game.
в начале любовь,
Relationship.
в конце любовь. а в
And
середине
all
любовь.
sadness, everybody who are sad in the world
И все, кто печальны,
about relation.
все это касается отношений.
Wherever you relate with your mother,
Там, где у вас отношения,
make emotions,
с матерью,
with father, emotions,
появляются эмоции.
with kids, emotion, family emotions.
В
Everywhere
любых-
emotion.
В любых семьях
But
эмоции.
if you know each other, going good with love,
Но если
then
у вас отношения,
not so much emotion happens,
есть любовь,
you are flowing.
там не так
Go
много
on.
эмоций. там
So
много
love is the
состояний
most
потока.
Importance.
Любовь это
Love
самое
has
важное.
everything.
Если есть любовь, все хорошо.
But soon, karma, if you have karma,
Но
you
если у вас
become
есть
relation,
карма,
and then you are caring till
в любом
your
случае
karma is not
будут
finished.
создаваться отношения, вы будете с ними идти.
If you meditation, then will be fast finish.
Но
Will
если
be
вы
finished.
медитируете, то
Cure.
отношения вычищаются быстро.
Otherwise, going like this. Everybody is like this.
И в мире тоже происходит именно так, у всех.
More other question?
Какие-то другие вопросы?
Наши... Как перестать жить надеждами? Надежда.
So his question is about how to stop living without hopes and without thinking about future.
Meditation. And meditation means come in this present moment. Be more aware, more meditative. Be try to be more present. Small things, not big things. Don't think I will be aware in big things. No, very small, normal things. Just looking anything, be aware. Walking, be aware. Eating, be aware about the taste. Anything you do, hand is moving, be aware. And as you be aware, every moment, slowly, you will come in this present. You are coming. And when you coming in present moment, if you are very much in present moment, you always in meditation. Meditation means present moment. How I can come here and now. Just here and now. This is meditation. You cannot be here and now, therefore need. Okay, do meditation, do this technique, do that technique, this group, this retreat, many things. And slowly, you come in present, when you are very present. You are cooking, just cook. You are cleaning, small. Be aware. Whatever you do, be aware. And don't think about I have to be enlightened, I have to be freedom. No. If you be a present, you already become freedom star. You enjoy star. Wherever you are present, wherever you are enjoy, whatever you enjoy, whatever you love and you enjoy, be there. Be with this thing. So meditation means how I can be present, how I can enjoy this moment. And when you coming in this moment, future will be finished. But if you have mind, mind always future, past. He is running like this. He is not enjoy this moment. He never allow you to enjoy this moment. He always running this to this. This is mind. And when coming, okay, mind is coming, thoughts are coming, just watch it. We try to be in moment and watch. Watch the mind. How much thoughts is coming, watch. Be here and let to do mind think. Mind should think as much as think, no problem. 10 thoughts, 100 thoughts, 1,000 thoughts, he can think. But you don't go. You be present. You be here. Just sit. Thoughts is going, thoughts are going, thinking. Let it happen. Don't make to stop. Don't be try to stop the mind. If you try, then he go more. If you want to stop, he go more stop. So let him go. How much he can go? 1 hour sitting all the time thinking, okay, let him. But you be aware. You don't go with mind. You don't go with thoughts. You be here. Meditation saying this. Meditation saying whatever is happening, you are watching. You are watching. You are the watcher. Thoughts are thoughts. Mind is mind. You are not the mind. Then slowly this mind energy will be finished. And as mind energy finished, you are coming in this present. You are coming to heart. You are coming your center. When you are centered, then no mind. So, how to not go in future? Just Be present.
Просто будь
Very simple answer.
присутствующим.
Be present.
Это очень простой ответ.
Very simple also. To be present.
Очень просто быть присутствующим.
Not simple. Huh? For you not simple, but for me very simple.
Для вас просто, для вас не просто.
Very simple. When I have mind, I am thinking, I enjoy. I say, good. Today I think. I'm thinking.
И каждый раз, когда у меня есть
Then
мысли,
thoughts
я
can
тоже
come.
наслаждаюсь. У меня есть мысли.
Sometimes very difficult to make plans.
Очень трудно что-либо планировать.
Thinking very difficult.
Очень трудно думать.
So when thinking coming, thoughts
Когда
coming,
приходят мысли,
I enjoy.
я
Today,
наслаждаюсь.
today very good.
Сегодня очень хорошо пришли мысли.
I enjoy the mind.
Я наслаждаюсь умом.
But when I was also meditating,
Но когда я тоже медитировал,
same.
у меня было
Morning get up,
было также с утра.
even if not eyes not open yet,
Открыл глаза,
still in bed,
еще находился в кровати,
start.
и уже крутились мысли.
Go in toilet, go in
Мысли
Shower,
пойти
but-
принять душ.
continuous thing. From morning till night, non-stop
С утра до
thinking,
вечера мысли.
thinking. It's too much thinking.
Слишком
Sometimes very
много мыслей.
difficult to go sleep also.
Иногда
Because
даже
too much
трудно
thinking.
заснуть.
Then I want finish it.
Иногда я захотел это закончить.
Just pray. If any God is there or
Я
any
стал молиться,
existence
если
is there,
есть
kill,
вообще боги, вот просто
kill this head.
уничтожить
Kill
его,
this mind.
уничтожить его,
Guys, it is too much.
потому что слишком много мыслей.
And when mind coming, very much mind coming, then real longing come.
Когда
Then real
просто
want
очень много ума,
I
тогда
want.
действительно огромная
Enough.
жажда
This is
появляется
too much.
закончить.
I want finish now.
Я хочу, теперь я хочу закончить.
So it is good. First you have to coming in
И
mind,
сначала
then you
надо
see what is the mind,
посмотреть на то, что
how mind. You want to stop, but he just go on.
вы хотите его остановить, а он продолжается.
You don't want to listen him, don't want to
Вы
think
хотите
him.
его слушать, вы
Okay.
хотите думать,
Continuous
но
chapter.
постоянно
Going on, non-stop.
нон-стоп
Then
говорит.
see how this is
Тогда вы
too
можете
too
его
big,
увидеть и сказать, Боже,
very much big.
он такой большой.
Then real longing comes.
Тогда у вас появляется
I
реальная
want
жажда.
to finish.
Жажда остановить его.
It's enough. Too much.
Хватит.
I want to
Слишком
go
много.
out of it. I want to go beyond
Я
it.
хочу выйти за пределы этого.
And one day it will happen.
И однажды
If
это
you're
произойдет.
longing, I want to go
Если
beyond
ваша
mind.
жажда сильна, вы
And
идете
you
за
are
пределы.
going in process.
Тогда вы идете
watching it.
через процесс,
One day.
наблюдаете.
He is very big,
Он очень большой,
too big, but
даже
still limit.
слишком большой, но у него есть
It is
границы.
not unlimited.
Он не
One day it
есть
coming
границы.
when he border.
И однажды вы
Limit come and he
увидите его
can
границы.
be finished.
Вы поймете, что это может быть закончено.
This I say, you have to go on, watch it,
И вам
and do be try to be in this moment.
постоянно
Whatever you
быть
like,
в
go.
настоящем моменте. Все, что вам нравится,
You like
идите.
walking,
Вам нравится
more walk.
ходить, хорошо,
you
больше
like
ходите.
sitting, more sit,
Вам нравится сидячим, медитация, сидите.
you like singing,
Вам
sing,
нравится петь, пойте.
you like dance, dance.
Танцевать.
Whatever you like, go with it.
Все, что вам нравится, идите.
Which technique you like, do
Какая бы
everything.
техника вам не нравилась.
But all technique make you how to watch.
Но все
Watch it.
техники учат
You
вас
are the watcher.
наблюдению. Вы
Just
наблюдаете.
watch. Whatever is happening, watch.
Всё, что
Mind
происходит,
is good,
вы
watch.
просто наблюдаете.
Mind is bad, watch.
Ум в хорошем
Sadness,
состоянии, вы
watch.
смотрите.
Happiness, watch.
Счастье,
Whatever is
вы
happening,
смотрите.
watch.
Печаль, вы смотрите.
Then he go
И тогда,
soon. But don't be run away.
ну,
When too much mind coming,
когда приходит слишком много ума, не
don't
убегайте.
say I don't want to see.
Не
Now
говорите,
good
«Я
time,
не
watch
хочу
it.
на это смотреть». Как
Look
раз в этот момент
how much he
время
can talk.
посмотреть.
How much he can go.
Как много у него
And he has energy, but big energy.
За ним большая
Mind is very
энергия.
big. And if you watching, he is finished.
Если вы наблюдаете, эта энергия заканчивается.
Go. Like this. So, okay. Every day sit, singing,
Каждый день
listening,
можно делать сидящие медитации, можно музыку петь,
be with master, sitting with master.
быть с мастером.
Slowly, slowly.
И происходит,
Unconscious is clear.
как подсознание ощущается.
Listening him, how to make clear, how to be more present,
Слушать мастера.
being with him, sit with him.
Быть с ним рядом.
Very slowly. Darkness is clear.
Потихоньку темнота ощущается.
One day it will happen, darkness finished.
И однажды темнота закончится.
This is sure.
Абсолютно.
This I give, this I guarantee you.
Это я могу вам гарантировать.
One day mind will be finished,
Однажды ум закончится.
but don't ask when.
Вы не спрашивайте когда.
This I can't say.
Это я не могу.
I can say, but I don't say.
Я могу, конечно, сказать, но я не скажу.
Because this is secret. This is joy also. If you know,
Если вы это знали,
3 years more maybe,
что у вас может еще 3 года,
then you don't do anything.
тогда вы ничего не стали делать.
Future, don't know what will happen,
Поэтому неизвестно, что произойдет в будущем.
when it will happen.
Тогда это произойдет.
And good if future you don't know.
Это очень хорошо,
Very
что вы знаете будущее.
Otherwise, joy finish.
Иначе бы закончилась радость.
If somebody say, future,
Если кто-нибудь
you
сказал,
will meet
что в будущем
one girl
вы встретитесь одну
2
девушку
years after,
через 2 года.
she is like this,
Она будет такой, такой,
her name like this,
ее будет видно такое.
and okay, after 2 years you will meet,
И вы через
and no joy.
через 2 года
You say, I know,
вы будете
it will
наслаждаться.
happen. It should have to happen.
Ну, мне же уже сказали, что
Then no will be
так
joy.
произойдет.
Joy always when don't know what will happen next moment.
Радость всегда есть, когда вы
Then
не знаете, что
when you
происходит.
going in secret,
Когда вы открываете
and
секрет,
existence is secret. Don't
существование,
show you what will happen.
оно не показывает вам,
You have
что
to go
произойдет.
on, go on. This is life.
Нужно
Enjoy
продолжать.
the life. If everything you know, whole film you know,
Если бы знали весь фильм,
what will happen 2 years after, what will happen 10 years after,
что произойдет через 2 года, через 5, через 10,
then no joy.
тогда в этом не было бы радости.
When you will die,
Если бы
when you
знали,
finish the body,
когда закончится это тело, когда вы умрете,
and if you are afraid with death,
если вы будете
and you know when
боитесь
you will be
смерти, вы знаете,
62,
когда это
you
произойдет,
will finish,
что вам будет 62 или 65,
then you can't enjoy.
тогда вы не
Then you are
сможете
afraid to start.
наслаждаться.
Oh,
Вы
now
начали бы
60,
бояться.
now I am 45,
Сейчас
17
мне
years old.
45, еще
Then
17,
again,
еще 17
5 years
лет,
after, oh now, 12 years more.
вот теперь еще 13.
Then you will not enjoy.
Тогда вы не стали бы наслаждаться.
Good, you don't know when you will be finished.
Потому что очень хорошо, что вы не знаете, когда вы закончите.
Sandash, I went to astrologist and asked him when I die. He said, you shouldn't know this.
Huh?
And I asked him when I die, and he said, no, you shouldn't know this.
Should know?
Shouldn't know this.
Don't know. Should not know this.
Но нет, но
That's
нет,
why
но
no need. When in, it is written, you will be around 60, you will be 70, you will be 80.
Возможные варианты.
Somebody more before. Something is happened, it's written, but no need to.
есть некоторые написаны.
Otherwise, don't.
Например, может стать человек 60 лет, 70, 80, вы лучше об этом не знаете.
But I thought maybe to prepare to write some papers. It can happen suddenly, and if I have a credit card and nobody can use it after.
But if you want to know when you will be finished,
Если вы хотите знать, когда вы умрете,
it's a big rumor now. This is last year.
на самом деле, сейчас как бы последний год.
After 2012 finish everything. Everywhere this rumor.
И повсюду
In
эти
the
слухи
world.
ходят.
So just understand this is last. Enjoy this.
Просто наслаждайтесь этим.
March is finishing, 9 months more.
Еще март заканчивается, нужно 9 месяцев.
2013 we will not see.
13 не быть,
Do whatever you want.
делайте все, что хотите.
But that astrologist told me that after December it will be very blissful for me.
If you die, then after is left. If you die, oh yes. If you die consciously, then bliss will be left. So if you want to know how much we are more, okay, 9 months. 9 months you grow yourself. Like mother when give birth to baby, take 9 months. You have to give birth to yourself 9 months. Make your baby inside, God baby, divine baby. Then after 9 months this baby come and this baby will be blessed. And blessed. Okay. Tomorrow, next 2 days no satsang. Tuesday, Wednesday. Break. Want to go here, there. Looking Haridwar. Rishikesh. And sitting will be silence, 9 to 10. Want to come sit. To enjoy whatever you want. Who is leaving today? Is going. And who will be stay till 2nd April? 2nd April. Who will be here? 2nd April we have celebration. Sandarshi become enlightened. Not become enlightened, finished. Died. Left. So we will celebrate that day. Sannyasa will be also. Who want sannyas, they can give name. We can give name to Tapasya. So almost everybody sannyasi. Some Indian more people come to take sannyas. Some more new people come in. We will be saying. Okay, now celebrate music. Mantra.